Namaste everybody, I'm Neha Rathi, a holistic and executive coach and a yoga expert. Today's practice, we're going to work on strengthening our core. Today's practice is all about lying on a mat. We'll start by chanting Om 3 times and then a bit of pranayama. Let's begin by chanting Om 3 times. Hands to the heart center. Take a nice deep inhale. Om. Slowly open your eyes and let's lie down on our mat. Okay. We begin with the simple belly breaths, keeping one hand on your belly. Taking a nice deep inhale, letting the hand come up like a balloon. Exhale, the belly goes in. Few more deep breaths. Inhale, relaxing your belly. Exhale, let the belly go in. Let the deep breath relax your nervous system. Getting ready for the session. One more last deep breath in and exhale out. Okay, now let's start by activating the core, getting into the pelvic tilts. Bend your knees, bringing your spine to its natural curve. Exhale, you'll tilt your pelvic up, flatten up your back. And with the next inhalation, relax and let it come back to its natural curve. Exhale, up, inhale to the natural curve. Again, exhale, up, trying to bring your navel towards the spine. Inhale, relax. Few more. Exhale, inhale. Last one. Exhale and inhale. Great. Now let's start with the first set. So bringing your legs to 90, or if you feel it's more comfortable, lifting it up wherever you're comfortable at. Okay, and now bring both your hands up towards the ceiling, or for me, up towards the sky. Exhale, remember your pelvic tilt. Okay, straighten up your right leg and your opposite hand. With the next inhalation, you'll bring it back. Exhale, straighten up. Either you continue with your breath, or else if you feel you can hold on to the core while breathing in, then you continue your inhale and exhale and continue the movement. If you feel this is a little bit more advanced, there is always variation to keep the other leg down and just work on one leg. So opposite hand and the leg. So if it's your right leg, then it's the left hand. Or you can do both the legs together. Last set on both the sides. And relax. 2 deep breaths. Inhale, fill in your belly. Exhale, the belly goes in. One more deep breath. Okay, good. Now moving on to the next one. Bring your legs to 90. Your knees and ankle in the same line, and keep the distance between your knees as your hip distance. Hands in line with your shoulders. Inhale. Exhale. Bring both the legs to the right side without lifting your left shoulder up. Up and to the other side. Exhale, twist. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, twist. Inhale, come back to center. Keep focusing on your breath. Come back to center and release. Take 2 more deep breaths. Inhale, fill in your belly. Exhale, the belly goes in. 1 more deep breath and out. Okay, and now moving on to the next one. You can bring your hands under your glutes, palm facing down. The beginner's level would be keeping the left leg bent and just working on the right leg, lifting it up and down. Okay, keeping your core active, curling your toes towards you, and then you lift it up and down 10 times and then change the side to the left side. Okay, those who feel can go a little more advanced will straighten up both the legs. Engage your core. Lift both the legs up, trying to keep your knees straight and down. Up and down. Curl your toes towards you. Navel towards your spine. And keep lifting your leg up and down. Slow, controlled movements. 1 more. And release. Now hug both your knees together, trying to bring your thighs closer to the chest. Hug your knees. If you can, then hold your opposite elbow. Curl your toes towards you. And gently roll to the right. Roll to the left. Roll to the right and to the left. Once more. To the right and to the left. Okay, before we end our practice, let's give a twist. So bring your right thigh on the left thigh. Okay, and if you can, then you entwine your feet. Hands in line with your shoulder. And slowly with exhalation, drop both your knees to the left side. If you can, then tilt your head to the right. Deep inhalation, exhalation. With every exhalation, try to drop your leg, knees more towards the floor. Coming back to center. Release. And let's do it on the other side. Left thigh on the right thigh. If you can, then entwine. Exhale. And drop both the knees to the right. Turn your head to the left. Deep inhalation, exhalation. Come back to center. Release. And now slowly turn to your side and then come up to sitting. Let's complete our core practice by chanting Om 1 time together. Bring your hands to the heart center. Inhale. Open your eyes. Thank you for joining me in today's practice. Namaste.